All right, so in this video, I wanted to show you guys what these fake Vapormaxes look like on feet and then give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the video. So if you guys missed my unboxing video, I showed you guys these next to the real thing and give you guys kind of my thoughts, initial impressions out of the box. But honestly, I wanted to know how these felt like on feet because it uses the same technology, the Nike Vapormax, which is kind of interesting. And I don't know, it'll be interesting to see how these things feel on feet because again, it's mimicking the authentic product. So whether or not it's going to be true to form, we'll determine that at the end of the video. So in this on feet section, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one authentic one on feet and one fake one. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know which is the fake or the real pair. Curious to see if you guys will actually guess before we show you guys which is which. So let's go ahead and show you guys what these look like on feet. All right, so you saw these on feet. Did you guys guess which ones were the replicas or the authentics? Leave a comment in the comment section. So now that I put these on feet, I wanted to give you guys kind of my final thoughts on the replica Vapormax. I definitely think that this is one of those shoes that looks pretty close to the original, but this is why this is actually a replica and not the authentic product. The main thing is the technology. Again, as I mentioned, this is the Vapormax technology, which is the entire Nike midsole, which means Nike has gone through hundreds of thousands of hours of pressure testing the right capacity of air and the PSIs in the air units. It means that they've done a lot of testing with individuals and actually wearing these versus the replica pairs, which are just made to imitate the authentic product. And in this case, it definitely just replicates the authentic product. In no way, shape, or form do these feel like the real thing. Now, you notice when I wear these on feet, the real and the fake pair both have a lot of compression in the big, huge air unit on the back. But when you step in the fake pair, you can feel it and it almost pinches your foot in a really bad way. In the far left corner of your heel, it just pinches right down here on the inside of your foot. It's just not a very good feeling at all. Also in the front section of the air unit, you don't even feel the air in this section like you do on the authentic pair. If you stand up on your toes on the authentic pair, you can feel the compression of the air unit kind of go down, and you can't feel that at all on the fake pair. At least I wasn't able to feel it. But definitely just a mimic of the authentic product. Again, I definitely wouldn't recommend these. To be 100% honest, this would be a real hazard to your feet. And this is exactly the same feeling that I got from my Nike Shock replicas that I bought way back in the day on accident from eBay. The TL2s, it actually looks very similar to this, but it was a Nike Shock. And as soon as you put them on feet, they felt terrible. These definitely gave me that same sort of sensation. If you wear these somewhat casually and you're not heavy set like myself, then maybe this wouldn't cause you any issues. Also, as I looked closer in the shoe, there's definitely some sloppy elements of the shoe that aren't like the authentic pair. You can see the flywire right here is just kind of all over the place. It doesn't actually work as a lockdown. The fake pairs do fit pretty true to size though, so there's not a lot of variance on that, which I guess could be a plus for anybody that's really caring about that. But I definitely do not recommend going this route. you'd be much better just buying a regular pair of Nike Vapormax, and you'll have the benefits of actually having the paid for technology that Nike created. I personally just would stay away from replica air units in general, and that's part of the reason why replica Jordans are just never as good as the real thing either, because of the replica air units usually inside of the shoes. But that is my 2 cents. Leave some comments, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have a variance in opinion, leave a comment as well. But hopefully you guys liked this video, and hopefully it was somewhat informative. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell to be notified when I post, and a thumbs up if you guys like the video. And we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Check the screen at this time if you guys want to see some of the other videos on my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Peace, guys.